Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? It's been quite a while, several months, 5 I think actually. So what happened was, if you didn't see my post, I went to work one day and the insole of my shoe got twisted and put a blister on my heel. So, and that was the same leg I had the arthritis in, so I was having trouble getting to the ankle, or getting to it, because I literally couldn't lift my foot up high enough to properly bandage and dress it. I mean, it would take me 5-10 minutes just to put a simple sock on in the morning, so it was very painful. You know, it kept me out of the woods. You know, my cast iron Wednesdays were getting shorter and shorter because it hurt to stand. So now I had a blister on it. I was doing what I could to bandage it, keep it covered, and keep it, you know, put stuff on it. Long story short, I got infected, diabetic. You know, they always say check your feet. I had a new job. I couldn't find my insurance info. Didn't have a insurance card, even though I signed up for insurance. Couldn't get logged in on the website to look up my insurance. Later found out they could just looked it up and found it. So, long story short, they cut my leg off from below the knee. Well, no, I went to went to urgent care. She looked at it, took a picture, showed it to me. It was like I had a big spot, like bigger than a dime, like silver dollar. It was just black. So they went to she just basically said, we can't address this here, go to the hospital. So I did. And they surgeons came in, looked at it and said, yeah, we're gonna have to cut that off. And I said, oh. So, you know, bad news. So that was in August. I got moved to a rehabilitation center on end of August. And I had to wait like 2 months of healing, wait for all the stitches. You know, they removed the stitches. I had to wait for all the scabs to heal up. And then they gave me a prosthetic leg. So, and I had to spend another month learning how to walk on it, which I'm still using a walker. So, you know, which I actually have right here behind me. So, that's how I get around now. I'm thinking now, I'm thinking about, you know, things I wish I had done differently. But, you know, I can only move forward from now. But that's basically where I've been. Of course, I haven't worked since August, and in my job, unfortunately, when I finally texted them, I said, hey, you know, I'm getting out of this rehab center soon. You know, do I still have a job? And they said, well, it's slow season right now, so we don't need you. So I haven't worked since August. Mark Kratz did a GoFundMe, and I had some donations. So if you donated, I very much appreciate it. It's what paid my bills while I was in rehab. I contacted my mortgage company. I said, hey, I had, you know, surgery, you know, medical hardship. They let me skip a few payments which are due now, and I have no money. So I do have a job interview coming up, the only one that I have coming up. But, you know, I've been sending out resumes by like every morning. It's just like send, trying to find a job I can actually do. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I have a plan, but I need a job first. So this is where I've been. I haven't been able to get the computer fixed so I can edit yet, because all my money has been going towards bills. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to, you know, I mean, several people have mentioned Cast Iron Wednesday, and I do miss making them. but I don't know when I'm going to be able to get back to those at this current, because I need to get a job first, and I need to start paying bills first before I can even think about or start implementing YouTube. And I'm still struggling to walk. Just I have to use a walker through the house just to get go to the bathroom, or just go into the kitchen. I've just been heating up simple meals, just opening a can, warming it up. So I mean, what happened sucks, but it was 100% my fault, so I take ownership of it. But I hate to say it is what it is, but I don't know how else to phrase it. But that's just kind of what's been happening to me, and where I've been the last few months. It's been a struggle. I mean, on the other hand, people in the rehab center were great. I mean, they were great people. They were really, really helpful. And I mean, when I was leaving, I was getting a little choked up. I was like, because they were just super nice, super helpful. But I've actually been home for a week. I just been dealing with stress, and a little depressed about the leg. I mean, I hope to get back on track. Knock on wood. I need something. Knock on wood. I get back to track. I just need to get a job and then start paying everything back that I borrow, all the money I borrowed, just to get to this point. But I got nothing in my account. I mean, I drained everything. I got no pension to draw on, so. Cause I live alone, so even now the house was filthy, and so that's just what's been going on with me. So I do have a GoFundMe. It's still going. If you're feeling generous, you want to donate to my hardship, it would be appreciated. Not that I hate asking for money, but I don't know what else to do. I do have unemployment filed, but this is like my wait week. I don't even know if I'm gonna get approved. Hopefully I do. Knock on wood again, just to pay the bills. Hopefully I have a job soon. Knock on I can get back on track. Get back to making videos. So yeah. So yeah, it's been rough. So I guess I'll just if you have any questions, let me know. I'll link my GoFundMe below if you'd like to help out, or if it would be really big help too if you could share it around. It's like, hey, this guy's trying to get back on his feet. Maybe send the link out. I reached out to the state, but I reached out to the Social Security, see if I can get like disability or something, even just a push, just like, all right, well, this will get you through, get you back on track. I'm still waiting for that to go through. Takes everything bureaucrat just takes forever. So yeah. All right, I guess I'll quit rambling. That's bad habits. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Like I said, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll try to answer them best I can, or do a follow-up video if I can. So hopefully I'll get back on track, get back to Cast Iron Wednesday, and we'll see about camping this year. So have a good one. We'll catch you later.